Good morning, students. Today we are discussing some of the question and answer of revision 4. Hope from this only you will get your MCQs for unit test 1. My first question is, during which season do farmers of Palampur grow jowar and bajra? The answer of this is during the rainy season, in bracket Kharif, 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 the farmer of Palampur grow jowar and bajra. Next, in which season wheat is grown in Palampur village? Answer of this, during Rabi season, in bracket that is winter, comma, wheat is grown in Palampur village. Next, name the states which were the first to try out the modern farming method in India. The answer of these states of Punjab, Haryana and the western part of Uttar Pradesh were the first to try out the modern farming method in India. My next question is, what is the disadvantage of using chemical fertilizers in modern farming method? The answer, the chemicals kill bacteria and microbes, which are essential for soil fertility. My next question is, what comprise modern farming method? The answer of this is, the constituents of modern farming method are use of high yielding variety in bracket HYV seeds, using chemical fertilizers and pesticide, as well as using plenty of water for irrigation. My next question is, which is the most labor absorbing sector of the economy? The answer of this is, farming is the most labor absorbing sector of the economy. Next, identify which out of land seeds, machinery and building is in the category of working capital. Answer is seeds, once used, cannot be used again, so they fall in the category of working capital. Full stop. Land, machinery and building are fixed capital, as they can be used again and again. Again I am repeating this answer, please. Seeds, once used, can be used again, cannot be used again, so they fall in the category of working capital. Full stop. Whereas land, machinery and building are fixed capital, as they can be used again and again. Next, what is the fixed capital of a dairy farming? Answer of these, the buffaloes or cow and the shed used to house them are the fixed capital of a dairy farming. I am again repeating this answer. C. The buffaloes or cow and the shed used to house them are fixed capital of the dairy farming. Next question. Modern farming method require the farmer to start with more cash than before. Why? Answer of this is, modern farming method required the use of HYV seeds, which are costlier than traditional seeds, and need chemical fertilizers and pesticides to produce more production, full stop. However, for buying all these inputs, a lot of money is essential, so a farmer needs to have more cash to start farming than before. How was multiple cropping practiced in Palampur? Question mark. Explain. Answer of this is multiple cropping was practiced in Palampur by, first point, farmer grow jowar and bajra during the rainy season in bracket Kharif. Second point, they grow potatoes and other vegetables in between the Kharif and Rabi crops. Third point, wheat is grown in winter in bracket, that is Rabi season. Full stop. Next, fourth point, sugarcane is also grown in some parts of land. Full stop. This is harvested once in a year. Next question, why is it important to develop irrigation facilities? Explain. Answer of this is, it is important to develop irrigation facilities for the following reason. First, having irrigation makes the farmer independent of the vagaries of the monsoon rain, as he can compensate for any rainfall shortage by using irrigation water. Second point, irrigation allows the cultivation of more than one crop in a year, as water is available throughout the year. Full stop. Multiple cropping grows the farmer earning all the year round. Third point, use of modern farming method, HYB seeds, chemical fertilizers, insecticides and pesticides requires more water than traditional agriculture, with irrigation it is possible to provide the necessary water. Full stop. Next question, what are the futures of green revolution? Answer of this, the major future of green revolution are using of high yielding varieties in bracket HYB of seeds. Full stop. HYB seeds promise to produce much greater amount of grain on a single plant. Second point, use of advanced technology, chemical fertilizers, pesticides and a well-developed system of irrigation. Third, this revolution solved the food crisis of India and made India self-sufficient in food grains. Fourth, this led to higher income growth and reduced poverty. Fifth, however, in many areas, green revolution is associated with loss of soil fertility due to increased use of chemical fertilizers. Full stop. Also, continuous use of groundwater for tube-well irrigation has reduced the water table below the ground. Full stop. Last point of this is, it started in the late 1960 in the states of Punjab, Haryana and the western part of Uttar Pradesh. Next, tomorrow we will start the second chapter. Thank you.